Hello everyone. Today I want to explain linear differential equation of second order with variable coefficients. Definition, you see that the differential equation of the form d2y by dx2 plus p into dy by dx plus q into y equal to r. This is you call as equation 1, where p comma q and r are the functions of x only, is called as a linear differential equation of second order with variable coefficients. This can be solved with different methods. Out of that, here, particularly for the syllabus of Government Autonomous College Kalburgi and Gulbarga University Kalburgi syllabus, kept this equation is solved by the one method, that is solution of equation 1 by the method of variation of parameters. This is only mentioned in the syllabus of Government College and Gulbarga University syllabus. Okay, I want to explain only this method here, how to solve this equation, second order linear equation with variable coefficients of this type, equation 1, solved by method of variation of parameters. Okay, a working rule, you see that step 1 says that express the given equation in the standard form. That means this is a standard form equation, second order linear equation with variable coefficient, standard form. This is, that is a d2y by dx2. It means coefficient of second order derivative is 1, coefficient, you see that unity 1, plus p into dy by dx. That is a p is a coefficient, that is a function of x, there is a dy by dx plus q into y. Okay, q is also function of x, is equal to r is also function of x. Okay, you have to very first, if it is not in the form, you have to write in this form. This is called equation 1. Okay, that is the express the given equation in the standard form. This is okay. First, the step number 2, find the complementary function of 1, that is a complementary CF of 1. If not given, if it is sometimes given, you have to take that. If it is not given, you have to find out the complementary function of 1 and let it be CF equal to, suppose given. Okay, or how to found that, if you found that CF equal to, if you write C1 into U plus C2 into V. Okay, this is equation 2 is called. Then step number 3, assume that the complete solution of 1, is of the form, it is y is equal to a1u plus a2v. It means C1 is replaced by a1, C2 is replaced by a2. Okay, this is equation 3, you say, where here a1 and a2 are the functions of x and are to be determined. You have to find out the value of a1 and a2. But here is c1, c2 are arbitrary constants. C1 is replaced by a1, C2 is replaced by a2. That you have to suppose that this is the complete solution of equation 1. Okay, step number 4, you have to find out the values of a1 and a2. Evaluate a1 and a2 by using the formula here. By using the formula, a1 is given by the formula minus integral of v into capital R divided by w into dx, and a2 equal to, a2 is given by the formula integral of u into r divided by w into with respect to x, where w is given by, w is given by the this determinant, second order determinant, u into first row uv, okay, second row u1 v1, What is u1? u1 is the derivative of u. V1 is the derivative of v. Okay, this is known as Wronskian Wronskian of Wronskian W. Wronskian. This is known as Wronskian. Okay. Here u1 is du by dx and v1 is dv by dx. And capital R is given in the equation RHS. It is the capital R function of x, and here, and uv are the that here you get u, what is u, and comparing you get what is u and v. Okay, and then w find out by using that u and v. Okay, this is called Wronskian of this u and v. Here, okay, after said, then step 5, substitute the values of a1 and a2. a1 a2 you get here in the step 4. Substitute the values of a1 and a2 in 3, in equation 3, to get the required complete solution of 1. Okay, this is the procedure method of solving this linear equation 1. Then note 1, how to points to be noted, these points to be noted. Number 1, since the solution is obtained by varying the arbitrary constants, it means changing the arbitrary constants, it means parameters of the CF, so the method is known as variation of parameters. It is variation of parameters. And note 2, this method is to be used only when it is asked to do so. Okay, this method is when asked solve the equation by this method, by changing the variation of parameters, then only you can apply this method, because this equation is solved by different methods also, but according to our syllabus we are discussing this only. Let us see one example. I want to explain one example to solve by using this method. First of all, how to find out the Wronskian W? Maybe this type question may be asked for 2 marks. Carries 2 marks. Okay. You see this example. Find the Wronskian W of the equation. Wronskian W of the equation d2y by dx2 plus y equal to tan x. You see that. So very first you take the given equation. Given equation is write in the symbolic form d square plus 1 into y equal to tan x. Here r is tan x. Okay, r equal to tan x. This you call equation 1. So let us auxiliary equation, you find auxiliary equation, complementary function, it is not given here, complementary function. Find out the complementary function by using with the help of auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation m square plus 1 equal to 0, m is equal to plus or minus I. So therefore complementary function is written c1 into cos x plus c2 into sin x. Okay, here next change the arbitrary constant, vary the arbitrary constants. Now let y equal to c1, in the place of c1 a1 cos x, right, plus a2 sin x. Here u is cos x, comparing in the above theory, u is cos x, v is sin x. With the you see that with the required complete solution of 1. Okay, comparing this way, y is equal to a1u plus a2v. Here here you see that u equal to cos x and v equal to sin x. So find out the derivative of this u1 minus sin x, and the derivative of v is v1 cos x. So now therefore Wronskian W is given by the formula second order determinate uv, in the first row uv, second row u1 v1. This is equal to, substitute the values, u is cos x, v is sin x, u1 is minus sin x, v1 is cos x. If you expand this determinate, uh, we get w equal to round square w equal to, expand this cos square x plus sin square x. Okay, this cos square x plus sin square equal to 1. So the value of Wronskian W is 1 here. Okay, it's very simple. You can try this example 2, example 3. Okay, find the Wronskian W of the equation y2 plus 16y, y2 plus 16y equal to sec x. Answer I have given here. Wronskian W value is 4 you get. Okay, similarly example 3, find the Wronskian W of the equation y2 plus 9y equal to 10x. Okay, this is the W equal to, you get 3 here. Find the Wronskian, example 4, find the Wronskian W of the equation d square minus 4 into y equal to 2 into e raised to x into cos x here. Cos x. Here answer you may get W equal to minus 4. Okay, these are the example practice. Next I will explain one more. Next example 5. This type example may carries for 6 marks. Solve by the method of variation of parameters. Okay, solve by the method of variation of parameters. So equation is given y2 plus 9y equal to sec 3x. Okay, given equation you take down y2 plus 9y is equal to sec 3x, call as equation 1. Write in the symbolic form. This is y2 means d2y by dx2, that is d square plus 9 into y is equal to sec 3x. Here r equal to sec 3x. Okay, you see that here the auxiliary equation. Here also complementary function is not given. Find out the complementary function of this. So by writing auxiliary equation, m square plus 9 equal to 0, m is equal to plus or minus 3r. So complementary function equal to, you get c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. So let us apply by method of variation of parameters. Let y equal to a1, c1 is replaced by a1 cos 3x plus c2 is replaced by a2 plus a2 sin 3x. This is equation 2 you say. Be the required complete solution of 1. So next our job is to find out the values of a1 and a2 here. Before that you have to find out the Wronskian W here. First you find out W. Here u equal to cos 3x plus v equal to sin 3x. Comparing u1, differentiation of this, minus 3 sin 3x, v1. V1 is equal to 3 cos 3x. Okay. W equal to, you get now W equal to determinant second order u1 v1 in the second row. Substitute the values cos 3x sin 3x, differentiation of this minus 3 sin 3x, and as differentiation of sin 3x is 3 cos 3x. So simply by expanding this determinant, W equal to 3 cos square 3x plus 3 sin square 3x. 3 is common, you get cos square 3x plus sin square 3x is 1 you get. So W value of W is, Wronskian W is 3. Okay, now a1 is given by the formula, minus integral of v into r divided by w into with respect to x dx. Substitute values, minus integral of v is that sin 3x, and r is sec 3x here. R is given. Okay, r is sec 3x, r is sec 3x, substitute here, divided by w you got 3. Okay, substitute here with respect to x. After simplifying this, minus 1 by 3, put outside the integral symbol, integral of tan 3x, you get this. Sin 3x by sec 3x is 1 by cos 3x. So tan 3x dx you get with respect to x. So a1 equal to minus 1 by 3. So integration of tan 3x is log of sec 3x divided by 3, divided by coefficient of x. So integration of tan x, that log sec x, here 3x divided by 3, coefficient of x, so whatever coefficient of x you divide here, sec 3x equal to, after simplifying you get minus 1 by 9 log sec 3x. This is the a1 value. a1 equal to, a1 can also be written as minus, you have to minus log sec is written plus log cos 3x. So you can use plus 1 by 9 log cos 3x. Okay, plus c1, or add the arbitrary constants. Here reason I have mentioned, because log of 1 by x is minus log x, like that. Using minus log sec 3x is written plus log cos 3x. Okay. Similarly, a2 equal to integral of a2 formula. A2 is given by the formula integral of u into r divided by w dx. Substitute value, u is cos 3x, r is sec 3x, divided by w is 3. So here you get cos 3x 1 by sec is 1 by cos 3x, cos get cancel, okay, 1 you get. So only integral of 1 by 3 dx you get. So integration of this is only x by 3 plus add one more arbitrary c2. Okay. Then with this all a1 value, a2 value, equation 2 gives, takes the form y is equal to, substitute the values of a1 here, a2 here, 1 by 9 log cos 3x plus c1 into cos 3x plus x by 3 plus c2 into sin 3. You can separately, you can write complementary function per particular integral, which is obtained by this method of variation pattern parameters. You can write here c1 cos 3x separate plus c2 sin 3x separately. Remaining you can write 1 by 9 log cos 3x into cos 3x separately plus x by 3 into sin 3x separately. Particular integral separate, complementary function separately you can write. Okay. Okay, with this I will stop here, this one. The next video I will explain the few more examples relating to this method. Thank you.